We are ready. We have music from our Hard Rock stage.
Peter Frampton, he is coming alive in Studio B, and he's here with his new song, I Saved a Bird Today. Take it away, Peter.
I heard her at the back door, the little wing bird lying there. It should have been the end for her. Was she going somewhere? Did she have a place to be? Perhaps today was on her way to rescue me. Sometimes you fly on top of the world. Sometimes you cry, sometimes it hurts. We all need somebody to understand. We all need somebody lend a hand. I could see some movement, idea came clear. To care for one another is the reason we are here. Wrapped her in a blanket, the sky falling straight. Took her to the river and watched her get away. Sometimes you fly on top of the world. Sometimes you cry, sometimes it hurts. We all need somebody to understand. We all need somebody lend a hand. Sometimes you cry on top of the world. Sometimes you cry, sometimes it hurts. We all need somebody to understand. We all need somebody lend a hand. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Gordon.
Thank you. It was our great pleasure. Wow. And we love the story behind the song, but boy, the acoustics, your voice, incredible.
Oh,
Peter
thank you.
Frampton, the one and only.
We're hoping that one's going to be streaming soon.
Okay.
It is on our
Already.
website for you, definitely. And you're going to sing again for us in a few minutes, right?
We are, yes.
You want to give us a clue?
Well, we might do one that you know.
I'm excited. All right, stay tuned for that.